stay in this match.
B-Fab looks to capitalize after the reversal. Andre Chase. Oh, what a clubbing blow. From behind.
Textbook neckbreaker. Chicken wing, underhook. Uh-oh. Half and half suplex.
Gosh. Uh-oh.
Denied via a wicked punch to the stomach. Oh, God. Brutal chop block.
Foot just stomping down. Her endurance is really being tested now.
Yeah, but it's still possible to hold strong and make it to the end of this Rumble.
Fired hard into the corner and crashes to the mat. Northern Lights bomb.
Ooh, caught with a knee to the mush.
Fends off the attack with an elbow.
Oh, my God.
With the counter. Launched right out of the ring.
Raquel Rodriguez has been eliminated.
Oh, wait. Are we about to see an elimination? Battling to stay alive.
It's not over until both feet touch the floor.
It's over. Winner of the Rumble.
Here is your winner, Sami Zayn.
We are now officially on the road to WrestleMania. And you're looking at the superstar who competes in the main event of the showcase of the Immortals.
A win like this always makes me happy. I kind of want to hop in there and celebrate with them.